We got the Share the Arrows Conference. Okay, so here we are, $5,128.21.
Ready or not, ready or not, ready or not, ready or not.
Welcome to Chikuni's and Chill. We are so glad to have you with us today. I am Lou Chikuni alongside my beautiful wife and co-host,
Vale Chikuni.
All right, and we are here to bring you biblical truth over cultural chaos. We got the Share the Arrows Conference, okay? This is the one coming up. So they had the one last year. That was 2025. This is the 2026 one. And so we could take a look at some of the people that are going to be at this conference. So the intro, we'll play that in a second here. But you got Allie Beth Stuckey. You got Shane and Shane. You got Rosaria Butterfield. Good sister right there. Alisa Childers. I love her books. Costi Hen. Natasha Crane, I'm not too familiar with her, but, her name sounds familiar. And I would assume for the most part that people are pretty straight over here, straightforward, solid people. That's my assumption. Shane is Shane. There's questions because of, CCM just got questions all the time because there's just stuff that they be doing. Okay, so here we are. And as you can see, man, a gigantic,
big venue,
enormous event, enormous venue. I'm sure it's just awesome and just well put together. I wouldn't even doubt that for a second. I'm pretty sure that this whole thing is just amazingly put together and requiring a lot of just whatever you can think of here to get this thing going, right? Like the highest quality AV, the highest everything. I mean, this event probably cost millions of dollars, okay? So, as you can see, okay, there are tiers here, okay? There is, and if you go to the main page, it's going to tell you that the average ticket prices from $200 to something like $500-$600, depending on where you're sitting in the venue. So they will tell you that much. So that's kind of like the average price. But it also tells you when you get to there that there's it says if you want the platinum experience, you can click on something and that's going to take you to the platinum experience. Now, you've got like two things being shown here on this screen. Okay, so on the left, this is a gold VIP package on the left. As y'all can see, you get a bunch of things in there, and then $740 is the price for that one. But now this one is the one that has us completely baffled, befuddled, confused, bamboozled, flabbergasted, you name it. $5,128.21.
No, sorry.
That is how much that's costing it. Now let's talk about how much some of the things that it comes with. Okay, so it says it comes with premium private suite access, private lunch with Allie, private studio tour, dinner with Allie at Mercury Studios, photo opportunity with Allie, reserved parking, exclusive VIP tote bag, early access to online merch pre-sale, and then the platinum VIP lanyard. I really don't know, y'all. I'm waiting for the press release or the X, post where she just clarifies all this, and then we find out that this couldn't be the case. Because if this is real,
it is real.
This is outrageous.
This is real because she did this last year as well. So the thing you have to understand is this, right? Okay, so let's just say you don't get this VIP if you go there, are you going to be able to find a place to park? Of course, you'll be able to park your car. So why are you paying $5,000? That includes parking, okay? And then an opportunity with Ali. You have to pay $5,000 just to take a picture with Ali. Okay, they have food, right? They're giving lunch and food. There is no way you can tell me food should cost $5,000. And here's newsflash. From what I said, I'm like, okay, is this a 1 week event? It's just 1 day, guys. Okay. 1 day. At this point, we need to be repenting in sackcloth and ashes if we say anything about Pam and Sarah Jakes, honestly speaking. Okay. $5,000 out here, man. Huh? For a photo opportunity with Ali. So you need to pay $5,000 to take a picture with Allie Beth Stuckey.
Pam is giving us the discount. The $200 was the $200 was nothing, man. The $200 is nothing compared to this.
No, this is outrageous.
Yeah, this is
two people. That's $10,000. So it's not like when you pay this $5,000, right? It's not like it's going to be you and Ali, just the two of you exclusive. No. So every person who has paid, it's gonna be you guys, Ali in the group to do the tour, Ali in the group to sit. I don't know, like, in a lounge to be eating. So it's not like this is a one-on-one that it's going to be you and that particular person. So two people, that's $10,000 to take a picture with Allie Beth Stuckey. I was just, you know what, you cannot justify this.
As I said, I'm just hoping that we get the information that there's just something that people didn't see that we thought we saw, and somehow this got, that's what I'm hoping for. I'm really hoping for, because otherwise there's really no other explanation for it. Nothing really makes sense otherwise, because you're looking at, just the highest level of, this feels like extortion or something, man. Like you're just preying on people, and you're assuming, obviously the people who go there, there are some people who are millionaires themselves, some of the women there or their husbands or whatever it is, sure. But that's something that's like millionaire type pricing. So you're talking about that you think that there must be some clientele that is that high end to even go to these events. And yes, they are. But then is that a reason for you to make them come out their pockets with $5,000? You know what I'm saying? Like there's other ways you can get people who have a lot of resources to support what you're doing. And listen, there's people who paid that. There's people who paid that, even if it's crazy. There are people who definitely paid that. And every time that happens, that just sort of vindicates these guys and their pricing. So if people continue to pay those prices, it's going to continue to embolden this really high pricing for these sort of tickets.
Yeah, I'm like, wait a minute. Even Tiffany wasn't even charging this, okay? The false prophet.
Sarah Jakes.
So I'm like, come on, man. This is the thing is, right? You are doing this. This is a Christian conference that she's putting out, right? Mm-hmm. Spare the arrows. It's a different story. You are out here, you're doing business, okay? So like, okay, you are an entrepreneur, you're doing a business, you're selling product and everything else. That's a whole different situation. But you're out here, you're bringing these women together so that they can hear the word of God. So this is a Christian conference. So just because it's a Christian conference, even if people can actually afford the $10,000, the $5,000, is that how Christians should be operating? There's got to be a distinction, guys. Okay, so what are we supposed to be saying about Sarah Jakes when she's charging these prices? Okay, and to be fair, Sarah Jakes was even cheaper than this. Okay, even Tiffany Montgomery was cheaper than this, and Ali should know better. Ali should know better. At least the other ones, they're forced teachers. They're all about all these other things. So to me, I'm like, okay, so you are going to charge $5,000 for 1 day? This is not like a 1 week where people are eating, whatever the case may be. It's just 1 day. 1 day, one person has to pay $5,000. No.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you leave your comments down below. We'll definitely check those out.
Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
And we'll see y'all in the next video.